Exercise 6.4. Yes, exercise 6.4.
Question number 5.
Question number 5, second part. Okay. Just minute of silence and listen to me. 1750. Okay. Yes. Find the list number which must be added to each of the following number so as to get a perfect square number. It is not a perfect square number. Which number we will add it to this number to make it a perfect square number. Perfect square number. So we will use the long division method. Long division method. Okay? Yes. 1750. Okay. Now carry from the last digit. Carry from the last digits. Yes. Your first pairing is 70. Count the perfect square number. Count the perfect square number.
4 4 16.
Yes, very good. 4 4 is 16.
Sir, 4 4 is 16.
Yes, very good. Yes. 7 minus 6. 1. 150. Next page is 50. It becomes 150. Okay. It becomes 150. 150. Okay. Now 4 plus 4 8 yeah, or 4 to the 8. Okay. Now 8 to the 16 which is greater than 50. So 8 1 the 8. 81. 81. 10 minus 1 that is 9. 14 minus 8 that is 6. 14. Any doubt, any problems?
Yes, sir.
Have you any problems?
Yes, sir.
What's problem? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
बोलिए.
Sir, I do not understand from 81 multiply 1.
Yes. Yes. Listen. 8 to the 16. अगर मैं यहाँ पे 2 लिखता हूँ मतलब 2 to the 4 and 2 8 to the 16. 164 is greater than 150. So I will use only one. 8 1 the 8. That is 81. 164 I cannot use because it is greater than 150. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Now, by this number we will add in 1750, so it becomes a perfect square number. This is not a perfect square number. Okay. Clearly we will observe that. 41 square. Clearly.
Less than 1750.
We observe that. What will you observe?
41.
41 square
Yes.
is less than
41 square
1750.
is less than 1750 is less than 41 plus 1.
42 square.
42.
42 square.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Required number which is added to make it perfect square. Required number which is added. Required number which is added. Which is added to make it a perfect square number. To make it a perfect square number. 42 square minus 42 square minus that is 1750.
Sir, 1750 is equals to 700.
Square of 42 is square of 42
764.
7. Square of 42 is 17. That is 14. 14 is added to this. 14 is added to this. Okay. Now required perfect square number. Required perfect square number. Perfect square number. Square number. Now please 1750 plus 14 it becomes 1764. And square root of 1764 it is 42. Okay. 42. How it becomes 42? 41. It is your 41. It is your 41. And your perfect square number. Yes. What happens? Voice is coming very low. Okay. Just wait. Yes. Now question number 6 is yes. Am I audible to you? Okay. Find the length of side of a square whose area is this. Square is given, whose area is given. We have to find out the length of side of a square. Okay. This is the square ABCD. This is the square ABCD whose side is x centimeter. I am considering that if it is x centimeter, it is also x centimeter. It is also x centimeter. It is also x centimeter. Okay. Now area is 441 centimeter is given. Okay. Now we have to find out the length of side of a square. Length of side of a square. X centimeter. Yes, and out. Let length of side of a square x centimeter. Any doubt, any problems? What happens? Please do the next question. Yes.
Sir, what is there? What is the right after length?
Let. Okay. Let length of side of a square. Let length of side of a square. Length is और मीटर में है. Okay. Now change into meter. Let length. Okay. Please change it and write in meter. Okay. It is your x meter. 441 meters square. Okay. That is your x meter. This is also your x meter. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, please tell me what happens. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay. Siddesh, please try to do the next question. Okay, very good. Siddesh, very good. Please try to attempt it. Okay. Yes. Now, what is the area of a square? Please tell me. Your area.
Side into side.
Yes, area is given. Area is given. Area of a square.
Side into side.
Area of a square. A B C D. That is side into side. Side into side. Who is speaking? Who is speaking? Yes. Area of a square ABCD. Side into side. Your side is x into x. X into x, it becomes x square. Okay?
Like
X
your
square.
voice is low.
Okay, sir.
That is x square. Yes. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
My voice is proper. Yes. My voice is proper. It may be net.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it may be a network issue. I was saying, please try to solve the question. Okay, very good. I was saying, yes. Now area of square is x square and area of square is 441 meter square. Please equalize it. Equalize it. Okay. Now according to questions. 441. Okay. Yes. Now taking square root on both sides. Now taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. Root on both sides. On both sides. We get. Now taking square root on both sides, we get. Okay? Yes. Now x square x square is equal to, that is x square root, and this is 441. This is 441. 441. Okay. Now it is x. It is x. Prime factorization of 441. Prime factorization of 441. Yes, 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 7s are 21. 3 4s are 12. 3 9s are 27. 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. Okay. Now 441 can be written as 3 into 3, 7 into 7. Okay. Now x is equal to 3 into 7. X is equal to 21. Okay. Yes. Therefore, length of side of a square is 21 meter. Length of side of a square. Side of a square B. Square B. That is x is equal to 21 meter. Yes. Any doubt, any problems? Okay, do it fast.
Yes.
Do it fast.
Yes, sir.
Question number 7, first part. Okay, yes. In right angle triangle, angle B is 90 degree. This is your right angle triangle. Am I audible to you? Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Now it is clear.
Okay. Now in right angle triangle ABC, angle B 90 degree. If AB is 6 centimeter, that is given. Okay. BC is 8 centimeter given. Now we have to find out the side AC. Find AC. Okay. Find AC. In right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem we will apply. In right angle triangle, listen to me. Listen. Pin drop silence. Listen to me. It is your right angle triangle. It is your base. And it is your perpendicular. Okay. And it is your hypotenuse. Okay. It is represented by capital S. It is represented by capital B. It is represented by capital B. Okay. In right angle triangle ABC. According to Pythagoras theorem we get. According to Pythagoras theorem we get. Okay. Yes. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Your Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square.
Yes.
Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay, yes. Now, what is your hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is your AC square. Okay. Perpendicular is BC square.
Yes, sir.
Base is AB square.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. We have to find out the AC square. What is your BC? BC is 8.
Sir, 8 centimeter.
BC 8 centimeters.
No, sir, BC is equal to 8 centimeter.
AB is 6 centimeters.
6 centimeters.
Sir, BC is equal to 8 centimeter.
The square of 8 is 64.
64.
And square of 6 is 36.
36.
Okay. Yes. Now AC square.
100. Sir,
Yes. 64 plus 36 is 100. Okay. Now taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. We get. Taking square root on both sides we get. Okay. AC square. Square root. 100. Okay. Now square root of AC square is AC. Prime factorization of 100. 2 divided by 50. 2 25. 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Okay.
250, 225 and then 5.
And 2 5 into 5. Yes, pairing of like factors. Okay. Now 2 into
Sir,
5.
AC is equal to 10 centimeter.
2 5s are 10. Okay. 2 5s are 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. 10 centimeter is your AC. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay, do it fast. Do it fast.
Yes, sir.
Question number 8. Let number of plants in a let number of rows and number of columns. Let number of plants. Let number of plants in each row. In each row is equal to number of plants in each column. In each column. That is x. That is x. So total number of plants will be. Please tell me. Number of plants. Yes, x into x. It becomes x square. But total number of plants given 1000. Total number of given plants. Total number of given plants. That is 1000. That is 1000. So according to question, x square will be equal to 1000. X square is equal to 1000. Okay. Now we will find out the square root. Taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. Square root on both sides. On both sides we get. We get. Okay. Yes.
Sir, please root of
X square root of 1000. Find out the square root of 1000. X square root. Square root of x square is
X.
and it is 1000. Okay. Now square root of 1000 is pairing from the end. Pairing from the end. Pairing from the end. Your first pairing is 10. First pairing is 10. Count your perfect square number.
3 is a 9.
Yes, this is a 9. Very good. 9. 1 is remainder. Next pairing is 00. 3 2s are 6. And 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 1. 61. And it becomes your 29. Okay. That is 31. 31. How many plants we will add to this to make it a perfect square number? What will be the next step? Please tell me. What will be the next step? For added, what will be the next step? Yes.
31 square. 31 square is equal to 31 square.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Listen to me clearly.
1000.
Clearly we observe that. What will we observe? 31 square.
Sir, that 31 square is not equal to 1000. Is less than 1000.
32.
32 square.
Yes. Required number of plants. Required minimum 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 number of plants to make it a perfect square number. To make it a perfect square number. Perfect square number. Yes. Now 32 square minus 1000. Okay. Now square of 32 is, please tell me, 1024 and 1000.
Yes,
So 24 more plants required. 24 more plants required. समझ में आया कि नहीं आया?
yes, sir.
Yes, do it fast.
Then